proud to be Kitty Best on the Burkina No matter what, I'm still on my Kitty Best. Proud to be Kitty Best on the Burkina No matter what, I'm still on my Kitty Best. Hey, listen, hey, I'm proud to be Kitty Best. I'm proud to be Kitty Best. No matter what, I will stand for you. I love it, I need it, my Kitty Best. No matter what, I'll be stand for you. Stand for you, stand for you, stand for you. I'll be stand for you, stand for you. I'll stand for you, stand for you. I'll be stand for you. I'm proud to be Kitty Best on the Burkina No matter what, I'm still on my Kitty Best. I'm proud to be Kitty Best on the Burkina No matter what, I'm still on my Kitty Best. Proud to be Kitty Best on the Burkina No matter what, I'm still on my Kitty Best. Hey, listen, hey, I'm proud to be Kitty Best. I'm proud to be Kitty Best. No matter what,
At the beginning of this year, people come to ask me, what do you like about our Tibuta? I say, I love your Tibuta. All the Immortals love your Tibuta. But I saw all the old lady wearing the Tibuta hiding in the corner. I think, why? You can put your Tibuta into the modern world because it's so beautiful. Look at that. People ask me why we have to wear Tibuta because it's part of your country. If you don't modernize that, it will disappear. So today, here, we try to hold your attention. Please look at the model. We still got the winner. I love all the Tibutas here. And I have to tell you, one of the Tibutas, my Tibuta. Guess which one? This is my Tibuta. So she's out. Because I'm an organizer, so she's not in the competition. But you can't deny, this is my Tibuta. The winner of the Tibuta competition this year, I hope we will have another Tibuta competition next year and better than this year. Please, please promise me. The first number 3. What's your name? Chloe got it? From where? Excuse me, who made your Tibuta? Anybody? Yes, the designers here! Do you like your Tibuta? I love it. Sexy. And you can hide your pocket money there. Thank you. The second place, number Wawa. Number 2, sorry.
Oh, very good. There's one for Australia.
So who is the maker for this Tibuta? There, somebody. Thank you for your Tibuta. So Kate, how do you like your Tibuta?
I love my Tibuta. It's very comfortable, and I think I might pick it off. And my dad was nice enough to put the high speed on. It's like what they were
Whoa, Kate.
This is one of my Tibuta, the one I like. Very hippie, very different from the traditional, but Siguroi. Thank you. The third place is number 7. Where is the maker for this Tibuta? I remember I collect this Tibuta from TSKL. And she's not here or she's here. Don't be shy. We actually asked the Tibuta maker around the island to make me modern Tibuta. What does it mean, modern Tibuta? Use your own imagination. And also, we want people to look at the Tibuta can be wear in church or in the office. It means that you cover your arm. And it's long enough to tuck in your skirt. So can be wear in church or in the office. So I'm very happy this is one of the Tibuta which can wear in church and in your office. Please look at this uniform. Number 4. Number 8. The Tibuta makers is in UK right now. From Mr. Fraser, who is that lady?
Oh, Penelise.
This is her Tibuta. Actually, she told me this is a Tibuta she would like to wear in the future for the international conference. How do you like this? Thank you. Now we go to the cuties. This is the cute Tibuta. Very fine detail, bright color, and also long enough. For Imotang, we probably wear it short under, but for your church, you can put a wide skirt. It's suitable for your church also, or all function. Now we got the disco Tibuta. Teriki. So where are you from?
I'm from Beijing.
So are you a disco girl?
Not really.
But you get the disco Tibuta on you tonight.
Yes.
Yeah? This Tibuta is from iMark, from Nick. Now we got the Imatan Tibuta. She's the youngest, so she got the pink and rose on her. What's your name?
Rose.
Rose. So they are all the winner of this year. So please look at your Tibuta and show me something better next year.
Please, thank you, models. Thank you very much. Now, we need to have some closures for the evening, and we have